Deck stair railings are an important safety feature and should be replaced if they start to splinter, rot, or come loose. Follow these simple steps to replace a deck stair railing. Here's what you'll need. Before you remove the railing, mark where the existing one meets the top and bottom posts. Then use a pry bar, hammer, or drill to remove the cap, stair railing, and balusters. Align the rail with the top rear corner of the top post and with the mark on the lower post. With help, temporarily attach the rail with deck screws. On the back side of the stair rail, mark the outside of the post and the deck rails. Unscrew and remove the rail. Cut along the marked outline using a jigsaw or circular saw. Paint or stain the new stair rail to match the rest of your deck railings. Make sure the cut ends are thoroughly sealed or painted. Allow to fully dry. To install the railings, position the board flush against the top edges of the post. Drill 1/8 inch pilot holes, then attach the rail to the posts with 2.5 inch deck screws. If you need to replace the balusters, first measure the distance from the top of the upper rail to the bottom of the lower rail, then cut the balusters to fit. Secure the balusters to the railing with the mitered edge on the bottom. Use a level to check the baluster is plumb. If you are installing a railing cap, follow the same steps as measuring the railing. Then position the cap over the stair railing and secure with deck screws. With the right tools, installing a deck railing is a simple DIY project that will improve the look and safety of your deck. Good luck! And thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.